This is a new 2014 Ford Mustang, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.7-liter, 6-cylinder engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a power convertible top, digital audio input, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, a trip computer, an MP3 player, privacy glass, air conditioning. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Conway Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 2393 Highway 501 West, Conway, South Carolina 29526.